Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'm Sore Fingers back with you again for hopefully what will be an interesting lesson. This is my take on a song from Londonbeat called I've Been Thinking About You, which was a big hit from them in about 1990, I think. And it was a worldwide hit, I believe. Okay, so they sold over 1 million copies of this, I think. So I'm in standard tuning, and I have a capo on the 2nd fret. We will be playing it in the key of B minor, which is the same key as the original released single version of the song. Okay. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago. If not, please check it out. Okay, then you'll see exactly what I'm hopefully trying to teach you. So let's get to it. It's quite quick, this song, so start slow and build your speed up. Okay, so starting off with the intro, it goes something like this. Okay. That's the first phrase. Okay. So what we're doing there, A minor, simple, nice, straightforward A minor. Okay, so and then what we do is we go to an F chord. Now you can play a simple F, that's fine. I usually play it like that. It's an F chord with C in the bass. This third finger goes up to the 5th string 3rd fret. Pinky takes over a 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string. Okay, but a simple F is fine. Okay, so you've got, and we go back to the A minor. Okay, so it's A minor, F, A minor. Got that? It's very quick. Okay, so it's okay. Then we play a G chord. Now I prefer to play the G chord as an F shape on the 3rd fret, so the same shape as the F chord, but on the 3rd fret. Either a simple one like that, or a one with an extra 5th string on the 5th fret there. Don't play the bottom E string. Okay. So it's just, now you've got this. Okay. So it's like down, up, down, down. Okay. And then we go back to the F. Okay, so it's da, 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 da. And then a very quick open top, the top 3 or 4 strings. Very quickly open, and then you start again. So it's right, the way I play it anyway. So see it? Because there is that sort of open top 2 or 3 strings before you go back to the A minor. Okay, see it? Okay, now the second time you play it, the first bit is exactly the same. It's like, but let me do this. Okay, so that's right up here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frets from the capo, or 10th fret in real life, sort of thing, on the 2nd string, B string, and the 12th fret in real life, or the 10th fret from the capo, on the top E string. Okay, and it's like da 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 da. Okay, and then you go down 2 frets and do the same thing again. So now I'm on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fret from the capo 2nd string, and 8th fret from the capo on the top E. Okay, so it's just 2 frets down from that one. So now you've got the 2 sequences. So your first one is second one is just repeats that whole lot for how many times you want for the intro. Okay, so I'll just do it through a couple of times. Okay, so two of each sort of thing. So I'll play it slowly, okay? Then it goes into the verse. We must have been so crazy, and it's basically just the A minor, G and F repeatedly. We must have been so crazy. It was the fault we were friends, 'cause I miss you, baby, 'cause I've got those feeling again. Okay, so it's that 4 times. A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, okay? So you come out of that, we must have been so crazy when we thought we were just friends, 'cause I miss you, baby, I've got those feelings again. And then it stays on the F for the sort of pre-chorus. I guess I'm all confused. D minor, so it's F, D minor. I guess I'm all confused about C, U, and then the A minor to G. Now you could, I'd say you could play a standard G if you wanted to. I tend to play it as an F shape because I think it sounds better like that, but it's up to you. It's okay, whichever G you want to play, as long as it's a G, okay? So that's, I guess I'm all confused about you. Back to F. I feel a D minor, so in love. C, oh baby. A minor to G. What can I do? And then we're into the chorus, which is exactly the same as the intro, okay? I've been thinking about you. 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 That sort of thing. You get the idea, don't you? It's actually, you've got to try and concentrate on trying just when you do that, just to hit those top 2 strings. Okay. Now, obviously, with an acoustic, and I find myself hitting the bodywork a bit. So, on an electric, you wouldn't hear that because it's not. You won't pick it up. But on an acoustic, touching the body, obviously, is you hear it, don't you? But try not to go down too much with a pick. Trying to keep it level. Bit of an art. Okay, so there's the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Okay, so we'll go right from the beginning. Do it very slowly. Okay, so it's. Must have been stone crazy when we thought that we were just friends, 'cause I miss you, baby, I've got those feelings again. I guess I'm all confused about you. I feel so in love, oh baby, what can I do? I've been thinking about you. 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 Suddenly we're strangers, and off into another verse, yeah? Another verse, another pre-chorus, and another verse. Okay. Now that's all that's in it basically, apart from the solo in the middle of the song. There's just more of the same, just mix and match of the verse, chorus, pre-chorus and chorus. Now and then it comes to the solo. Now if you've got somebody else with you, the chords to the solo are that bit, okay? It's basically a B minor. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. Dun, 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 dun. So that's A minor, dun, 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 G, dun, 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 C, dun, dun, A minor, dun, 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 G, dun, 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 A minor. Okay, so it's A minor. Dun 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 G dun 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 C dun back to A minor dun 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 G to A minor. Okay, and that does that twice. Now the solo itself is so we're starting off on the open A string, okay? Sorry. So that's open A string, twice, down and up if you like with the pick, 3rd fret, 5th string, open D string, the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? Another one, so it's twice on that D, down up, okay, so it, open D, 4th string open, 2nd on the 4th again, open 3rd, right, so it's as far as we got. Another one on the G, open, 2nd on the 3rd, back to the 2nd on the 4th. So you got open 4th, 3rd on the 5th. So now you got so it's 3 times on that 3rd on the 5th, and then the open 4th again, so it's after the 3rd on the 5th, open 4, open 5th, open A string, 5th string, then another one on that one, so twice on that, so it's, here we go, sorry. Back to the 3rd on the 5th, and then the open 4th. And then the 2nd on the 5th, then the 3rd on the bottom E, open bottom E, open 5th. That's it. Okay, so once again, very slowly. Very slowly. And there you have it. Okay, hopefully that made sense to you, and you'll enjoy playing that one. Thanks indeed for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.